Do you feel like your skin needs a drink of water or you can't hold in moisture? Well, I have a secret for you. If you want plump, hydrated skin all year long at any age, just wait. Also, stay tuned to find out how to save 25% on Clinique.com and get a free 4-piece gift. You won't want to miss out. My name is Teresa Bonrigas. Stop what you're doing and like, subscribe, and comment below. If you didn't know already, I'm a mom of 5, a dog mom, and also a plant mom. Now, when one of my plant babies is tired, shriveled up, withered, or just plain sad, you guessed it, they're lacking hydration. The vitality of a plant is dependent on being watered and having proper hydration. Did you know the same is true for your skin? Today, I'm sharing with you the importance of hydration. Why? Because healthy skin is hydrated skin. In just a couple minutes, I want to show you how to plump life back into dull and dehydrated skin through an amazing new upgrade of one of the most beloved products at Clinique. Introducing the new Moisture Surge 100-Hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator. But I also want to show you how to start at the foundation of your skin so you're properly hydrated. As you probably already know, the most foundational steps of skincare are cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize. In fact, let me show you. So I have combination skin, and as I've gotten older, my cheeks have gotten drier. So I've custom fit my skincare routine. For my Clinique 3-step, I use liquid mild soap, clarifying lotion 2, and dramatically different moisturizing lotion with the pore cartridge. So the purpose of cleansing is to get rid of dirt and oil, but also the Clinique mild soap that loosen the dead skin cells. So there's an extra added benefit. Next is clarifying lotion. And I'm using the clarifying lotion 2 because I'm combination skin, and I'm using a cotton ball, and you're gonna sweep once across your skin up to the bone of the eye. This is the biggest difference maker in skin. If you think about what gets in the way of you having good hydrated skin, a lot of times it's lack of exfoliation. Step 3 for my combination skin is dramatically different moisturizing lotion plus, and it has the pore cartridge. Because I used to have oily skin and I have larger pores in my cheek and nose area. So for me, I put this moisturization in my cheeks because that's where I have dry areas, and a little bit on my chin that's gotten a little bit dry as well. And then I blend it down into my neck. And this is gonna prepare my skin for that amazing new Moisture Surge 100-Hour Hydrator. It's gonna actually absorb deeper into the skin because the dramatically different moisturizing lotion is gonna act like a sponge. And now, for the real star of the show, Moisture Surge 100-Hour Hydrator. This stuff is amazing. Look at that gorgeous oil-free gel cream. It's good for all skin types, and I can't wait to put this all over my skin. Super hydrating. Guess how many hours of hydrating that this product gives your skin? 100 hours, you got it. 100 hours of hydration, and it goes over 10 layers deep. Look at how glowy that looks. Now I know you've been waiting to hear how you can get that 25% on Clinique.com. Look in the description for my Clinique code and link, and you get 25% off plus a 4-piece Clinique gift from me and Clinique to you. Now friends, I recommend that you set a good foundation for proper hydration using Clinique 3-step AM and PM, and follow up with the All-Star for that boost of continual hydration. Okay friends, excuse me while I go bathe in this stuff. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now, fam.